curried mustard, broccoli, potato stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the mustard recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the curry recipes and one of the most different of the broccoli recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make mustard broccoli potato stew or curried mustard broccoli potato stew. The ingredients are around 150 grams of broccoli cut into pieces and soaked in salt water for around 15 minutes. And around 100 grams of potatoes. We have taken baby potatoes here and we have peeled them, soaked them in water. Into the bowl, put in the baby potatoes and the broccoli. Put in 2 spoons of mustard paste. Mix the mustard paste with the baby potatoes and the broccoli. Thoroughly mix. And let this mixture marinate for around 1 to 1.5 hours. The next ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 3 to 4 green chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 1 cilantro or coriander leaf cut into pieces, and around 5 to 6 curry leaves or sweet neem leaves, and 6 to 8 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the ginger, salt, chutney, Now put in the shallots, salt, sautéed shallots in the blender. shallots gives a pinkish color. Now put in the green chillies, salt the green chilli with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Put in the garlic, salt, and put in the curry leaves, salt thoroughly. Now put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauteed. Put in the potato and the broccoli that we marinated in the mustard. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. pour in 200 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the curried broccoli potato stew or curried mustard broccoli potato stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried mustard broccoli potato stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the broccoli recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mustard recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.